Okay, good morning friends. In my last video I showed you how to just take two cards, same cards, and put them in between and bring out the same cards without even touching the pack. So I will now tell you how to do it. Okay, you have to be very specific. If we take any number, like if I'm taking 7, then there are 4 cards which are of 7. Okay, so I have to be very quick in this. I have to, like, I will take these two. Okay, that's hearts. Okay, and this one I will take this one separately. That's one black card and one is red card. Okay, and the other pair, this one and the hearts one, I will take it separately. Okay, so what I would do and what you can do also, it's for immature audience, it's not for perfectionists. They will catch you if they're immature, like never seen card. They would be amazed to see this. So in this, what you have to do, you have to put these two cards, you have to do, like, you have to take the pack of cards and put these two cards, heart and this one on the pack and one below the pack, before coming in front of the audience. Okay, so you have to be sharp in this, you have to be quick in this. You will show that there are two cards, 7, this one, because immature audience doesn't pay much attention to the symbol, they pay more attention to the number. Okay, so what you will do, you will just take the pack and ask them to put these two cards anywhere in between, anywhere they want. Okay, anywhere they want. Okay, and then what you will do, you do something like this and this and this, so that they think that you are doing something special and things like that, but you are not doing anything. You have placed your cards, one on the top, one at the bottom. Okay, now you have to you don't have to do anything but just give it a jerk. You just have to do like this, and everyone would be amazed. Wow, what happened? Then nothing has happened actually. You have placed it earlier itself, but when you will show them this, they will be shocked and amazed and consider you are the best magician. Thank you guys, hope it helps. We'll share more in near future. Thank you.